So let's make it quick. You have an LG TV, and every time you turn it on, what you see is the Smart TV homepage. Some people are okay with that, but what if you just want to go directly to an HDMI input? Welcome to David Susilo Unscripted, and here's my tutorial. Make sure you start with the TV turned off. You then now turn on the TV and go to Settings. You will then see a menu that looks like this. Now go to the Settings icon and press OK. From there, go to General and press OK. Scroll down to System and press OK. Inside the System, scroll down to Additional Settings, and from there, go to Home Settings. Inside the Home Settings, go to Power On Screen. And scroll down to Recent Input. Press OK. Get out from the Settings menu. Choose whatever HDMI input you want to use as a default. When done, turn off the TV and you're done. The next time you turn on your LG TV, it will go directly to that particular input you chose. That's it, straight to the point, no padding, done. Let me know if it works for you in the comments down below. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.